In Clearwater, Florida, where sunny skies and warm temperatures dominate most of the year, keeping your home comfortable can be a challenge, especially when it comes to energy efficiency. If your energy bills are soaring or your home struggles to maintain consistent temperatures, it might be time to consider upgrading your windows. Professional window installation not only enhances your home's aesthetics but also delivers significant energy savings, making it a smart investment for Clearwater homeowners. Here's how proper window installation can improve your home's energy efficiency and lower your utility bills. Improved insulation reduces heat transfer. Clearwater's hot and humid climate often forces air conditioning systems to work overtime. Poorly insulated or outdated windows can allow heat to enter your home and cool air to escape, increasing energy consumption. Benefits of properly installed windows: enhanced thermal performance. Double or triple pane windows with insulating gas like argon or krypton reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler. Tight seals. Professional installation ensures windows are sealed correctly, preventing air leaks that compromise insulation. Reduced HVAC strain. By minimizing heat transfer, your air conditioning system works more efficiently, reducing energy usage. With expertly installed energy-efficient windows, your home stays comfortable without overburdening your cooling system. Energy-efficient window features maximize savings. Modern windows come with advanced features designed specifically to improve energy efficiency, making them ideal for Clearwater's climate. Key energy-saving features: low E glass. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat away from your home while allowing natural light to filter through, reducing cooling costs. Insulated frames. High-quality frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials offer better insulation than traditional options. Solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC. Windows with a low SHGC block solar radiation, preventing your home from overheating during Clearwater's sunny days. When paired with professional installation, these features ensure your windows perform at their best, delivering maximum energy savings. Eliminates drafts and air leaks. Air leaks around windows can lead to uneven temperatures and increased energy bills. Improperly installed or aging windows often allow drafts to infiltrate your home, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable environment. How proper installation prevents air leaks. Precise measurements. Professional installers ensure windows fit perfectly within the frame, leaving no gaps for air to seep through. High-quality caulking and weather stripping. Proper sealing techniques provide a tight barrier against air infiltration. Eliminates gaps. Experts ensure every window is flush with the frame, preventing drafts and energy loss. By addressing these issues during installation, you'll enjoy a home free from uncomfortable drafts and excessive energy usage. Reduces condensation and moisture issues. Clearwater's humid climate often leads to condensation buildup on windows, which can reduce their efficiency and lead to mold or mildew growth. Proper window installation minimizes these risks. Condensation reducing benefits. Sealed insulated glass. Double or triple pane windows with properly installed seals prevent moisture from forming between panes. Enhanced ventilation. Certain window designs improve airflow, reducing indoor humidity levels. Barrier against water intrusion. Professional installation ensures a tight seal around the frame, preventing water leaks during heavy rains. With expertly installed windows, you can maintain a healthier indoor environment while improving energy efficiency. Maximizes natural light while reducing heat gain. Natural light is a key feature of any Clearwater home, but excessive sunlight can overheat your interiors and fade furnishings. Energy-efficient windows, when installed correctly, balance natural light with energy savings. How window installation helps. Optimized placement. Installers strategically position windows to maximize light while minimizing exposure to direct sunlight. Tinted or reflective coatings. These reduce glare and block harmful UV rays without compromising light levels. Energy-efficient designs. Modern windows let in light while keeping heat out, creating a bright yet comfortable indoor environment. With the right windows and professional installation, you can enjoy natural light without sacrificing energy efficiency. Adds long-term value and sustainability. Investing in professional window installation does more than save energy. It also enhances your home's value and reduces its environmental impact. Benefits of upgrading your windows. Increased home value. Energy-efficient windows are a sought-after feature for potential buyers, offering long-term savings and modern appeal. Lower carbon footprint. By reducing energy consumption, your home generates fewer greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a more sustainable environment. Durability and longevity. Properly installed windows last longer and require less maintenance, making them a cost-effective solution. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you're not only investing in your home but also in a greener future. Ensures maximum performance. The best windows won't deliver optimal energy savings if they aren't installed correctly. Professional window installation ensures your windows perform as intended, providing long-term benefits. Why professional installation matters. Expertise. Trained installers understand the nuances of fitting, sealing, and securing windows for optimal performance. Warranty protection. Many window warranties require professional installation to remain valid, protecting your investment. Custom solutions. Professionals tailor the installation process to your home's specific needs, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Proper installation maximizes the efficiency, durability, and aesthetic appeal of your new windows. Conclusion. Installing energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest ways to improve your home's energy savings in Clearwater. From reducing heat transfer and eliminating drafts to enhancing natural light and protecting against moisture, professionally installed windows deliver year-round comfort and lower utility bills. If you're ready to transform your home's energy efficiency, contact a trusted window installation professional in Clearwater. With their expertise and high-quality products, you can enjoy a more comfortable, sustainable, and cost-effective home for years to come.